If you want to move images between files in Photoshop, here are 5 easy ways to do it. First, use the Move tool by opening both Photoshop files, selecting the layer you want to move, then clicking and dragging it from one document tab to the other and releasing it onto the new canvas. Second, you can use Copy and Paste by selecting the image or layer, pressing Ctrl-C, opening the other file, and pressing Ctrl-V to paste it. Third, you can drag and drop a layer by opening both documents side by side, selecting the layer in the Layers panel, and dragging it into the other document. Fourth, right-click the layer you want to move, choose Duplicate Layer, then select the other Photoshop document from the Document drop-down menu and click OK to send a copy directly to that file. Finally, you can place an image as a new file by going to File, Place Embedded, selecting the image from your computer, and clicking Place. Then press Enter or click the check mark to confirm. These methods make it easy to transfer images, layers, and designs between different Photoshop files, depending on which method works best for you.